Hello, my front ensemble and pit friends. Thanks for checking in with me today. Hope you're well and making music every day in whatever way you can. Music is for everyone and it can take you anywhere you can dream. Today, I'm going to show you just the shortest version of a chromatic scale builder exercise for mallets. It is less than half the length of the full exercise, but this can be a start and get those skills going. Here we go. And here we go. Okay. As you see, I played it with the right hand, lead. You would do it 2 times, do it all with the right hand and repeat the left. You can see the music later, I'll post it up. And there'll be a link so you can download it. I saw that I played the 8th notes with the leading hand, in that case the right hand, and then as I added 16ths, I used the left hand for that. As always, use a metronome to practice for a rock-solid steady pulse. Return to your prep position with the mallets after each stroke. Work for evenness of sound from note to note and between the naturals and the accidentals. You want to make sure the volume's the same on every note. And also, stay away from the strings. Start slow, work for perfection, and then increase the metronome once you've played it 3 times perfect in a row. No cheating. Have fun with it and be ready to show it off in your next marching band or indoor drumline show. The more things you and your line can do, that means the more things your staff and writers can include to showcase your fabulous skills. Okay? Have fun, be safe, and make music.